Hi everyone, we have prepared the latest market updates for October 11th, 2022. Rivian shares fall after company recalls its cars. Shares of Rivian Automotive Inc. closed 7.3% lower Monday after the electric car maker recalled nearly all of its vehicles, hiding in investor fears that the company won't be able to meet its 2023 production target. Rivian's market capitalization fell more than $2 billion to $31.1 billion in one day, compared with automakers such as Ford Motor Co. and General Motors Co., which are valued at $45.67 billion and $47.08 billion, respectively. Rivian, an Amazon-backed company, recalled about 13,000 vehicles Friday because of a possible loose feed that could cause drivers to lose control of the steering wheel. The company began selling electric cars in the third quarter of last year and has so far delivered 13,198 vehicles. While a broad recall could hurt the brand and cause problems with confidence in future production, Wedbush Securities said it doesn't think it will affect Rivian's production and delivery goals this year. The company's stock is down 67.3% this year after a lower production forecast and a drop in shares caused by an uncertain macroeconomic environment. Crypto investors turn to the past on fear of hacks. This year, crypto investors saw the value of their assets drop like a brick, and now many are thinking about the security of their crypto money after a series of heists in which hackers stole nearly $2 billion. However, the specter of the technological past comes into play. Hardware wallets, old physical devices similar to USB drivers that store cryptocurrency offline, may seem like a throwback to a more innocent digital era, but they are proving to be a popular solution to today's problem. The global market for hardware wallets, estimated at $245 million in 2021, will grow to more than $1.7 billion by 2030, according to Straits Research. It's fueled by a steady stream of cyber theft. In the first 7 months of this year, hackers stole $1.9 billion worth of cryptocurrencies, up 60% from a year earlier, according to Chainalysis researcher. Most of this amount was stolen directly from blockchain or hot online wallets. What's more, investors aren't just concerned about hacks. Others lost access to their cryptocurrencies when major lenders such as Celsius Network and Voyager Digital collapsed in July. Oil declines on rising dollar and virus in China. Oil prices fell on Tuesday, extending losses by nearly 2% over the previous session as a strengthening U.S. dollar and the COVID-19 outbreak in China heightened fears of a slowdown in global demand. Brent crude futures fell 0.2% to $95.98 a barrel after falling $1.73 in the previous session. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude was at $90.82 a barrel, down 0.3% after losing $1.51 in the previous session. The dollar hit multi-year highs Tuesday as worries about rising interest rates and geopolitical tensions alarmed investors. Fed Vice Chair Lael Brainard said Monday that the rate hikes begun so far are beginning to slow the economy and the full brunt of the policy tightening will now be felt in the coming months. China's steady COVID-19 zero-rate policy ahead of the Communist Party Congress is not helping demand, analysts added. The number of coronavirus cases in the world's second-largest oil consumer rose to the highest level since August. Activity in the service sector fell in September for the first time in 4 months as pandemic-related restrictions took their toll.